Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Take everything, everyone is rascal, then train them. That is one. Take everyone as rascal. There is no question that here is intelligent man, here is rascal, here is this. No. First of all, take them all rascals and then train them. That is one. That is wanted now. At the present moment, the whole world is full of rascals. Now, if they take to Krishna consciousness, select amongst them. Just like I am training, you are Brahmin, a training. So, one who is prepared to be trained as Brahmin, classify him in the Brahmin. One is trained up as Kshatriya, classify him in this way, Chaturvarna Maya.
And that Kshatriya would engage everyone basically as Sudra and then pick from them.
Huh?
He would initially
No. You pick up, you take the whole mass of people as Sudra.
Yeah.
Then
pick out.
And rest, who is neither Brahman nor Kshatriya nor Vaishya, then he is Sudra.
Yeah.
That's all. Very easy thing. If you cannot be trained up as engineer, then you remain as common man. There is no force. This is the way of organizing society. There is no force. Sudra is also required.
Now the incentive in modern society to become educated or to become engineer is money. What is the incentive in a Vedic culture? That
there is no need of money. The Brahmana teaches everything free of charge. There is no question of money. Anyone can take education as a Brahmin, as a Kshatriya, as a Vaishya. There is no. Vaishya doesn't require any education. Kshatriyas require little. Brahmana require. That is free. Just find out a Brahman guru and he'll give you free education. That's all. This is society.
So the incentive...
Now, as soon as, at the present moment, as soon as one wants to be educated, he requires money. But in Vedic society, there is no question of money. Education free.
So the incentive is the happiness in society?
Yes. That is, everyone is hankering after. Where is happiness? This will be the happiness. When people will be peaceful, happy in their living condition, that will bring happiness. Not by imagining that if I have got a skyscraper building, I will be happy, and then jump over and commit suicide. That is going on. He is thinking that if I have a skyscraper building, I will be happy. And when he is frustrated, he jumps. That is going on. This is happening. That means all rascals. They do not know what is happening. Therefore, everyone requires guidance from Krishna. That is Krishna consciousness. Now, you are saying that there is high rate of suicide here.
Yes.
Why? This is a country possessing gold mine, and why therefore? And you said that it is difficult to become poor here.
Yes. You have to try hard to become poor man here.
Yes. And still there is suicide. Why? Every man is rich man, and why he is committing suicide? Can you reply?
They lack central happiness.
Yes, there is no happiness.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare